Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss a new formula which is not available in Excel, which is called as spell number. Spell number is a formula which will help you to spell a number into a text, which means here if I type 1, I want here the text as 1 I am looking for. So which is called as spell number, means whatever number is there, for that number you will be getting the spelling. Okay, means convert number into text words format, right? So by default, if I directly type, if you directly type E equals to SPELL, if you don't find it, okay, if you don't find it, see, generally whenever you type any formula, let's say search, you should you must getting this kind of pop-up. So whenever I type spell, I'm not getting the pop-up because the formula not available by default in Excel. I'm going to help you by giving a code for this. So to add spell number to your Excel, so along with this video resources, I will be providing spell number formula code, okay, in this text format. So open the text file, Control A, select all, copy as it is and close, and go to your Excel wherever you wanted to use spell number. Press Alt plus F11, Alt plus function key F11, and this screen, VBA screen will open. Go to Insert, Module, and paste the VBA code as it is and save the changes. Yes, close. Now you try searching E equals to SP. Now you will be getting spell number formula, which is not available earlier. Just now I have added, right? So I will show from here. If you directly use a formula equals to spell number, open bracket, select input and close bracket, you will be getting the values in dollars by default because we developed it for dollar purpose. And if you are looking for any other currency, you need to type it manually. After spell number input, you again put a double quotes, the currency signs you want and the currency decimals you want. It's clear, right? So we'll try it once. I first directly type the normal formula, the direct formula, E equals to spell number, open bracket, your input and close the bracket. I did not customize, so I'll be getting directly $1 and cents, $1.0 because it is not customized. SPL spell number, select the input, comma, type the text RUPEES, rupees, comma, currency decimal. What is the decimal? PAISE, pice. Close the bracket. So if if you do not determine currency and currency decimal, you will be getting by default in dollar and cents. So in that case there is no customization required, but if you are looking for any other, you need to add them manually. Now I got 1 rupee and 1 pice. Now we'll try in the top. So I'll type here E equals to spell number, E equals to spell number, select the input you want and double quote, I want RUPEES, rupees, comma, pice, and enter. So I got 134 rupees and pice. Because there is no paisa available, you will be getting like that. And if you drag it down here, you see 134 rupees and 45 pice. So in this way it will be working on your Excel, right? Thank you.